Hi everyone, welcome to Rice Cooker Adventures. I've been feeling a little bit under the weather lately, so today we're going to attempt to make lentil stew with chickpeas. This is what they look like. These are completely dry. I used like regular store-bought lentils, nothing fancy. Same thing with the chickpeas, just dried chickpeas. So what we're going to try to do is take these two things and then rehydrate them in our rice cooker pot. So let's go ahead and do that. I used about like half a cup of lentils and half a cup of chickpeas. Now it does look like there's chickpeas already in there, and I think what happened was last time I had lentils in the container and I just went ahead and poured dried lentils in it because, you know. After washing it, go ahead and soak it in as much water as you can. And then I ended up soaking it in room temperature for a while. So
5 hours later.
And this is what it looks like 5 hours later. You can see the lentils and chickpeas, they got a little bit more plump. That means they were rehydrated. So let's put it into our rice cooker and see if we can make stew. Go ahead and add a little bit more water. Close it up. And I wasn't sure which setting to use, so I went ahead and used the GABA brown one. And then 215 minutes ended up becoming 3 hours, 58 minutes, and 33 seconds. So when you have about 188 minutes left, you'll see nothing has happened. Yeah, the water isn't even hot. So go ahead and mix it up because you already opened the rice cooker. And then let's keep on cooking.
1 eternity later.
After an eternity later, when you have 52 minutes left, go ahead and open it up and please, please, please. Oh, yay! Yay! Ah, it's working! It is boiling. It is cooking. I didn't think it was going to, but it's working. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with this. Close it back up and let's keep on cooking. When you have 38 minutes left, we'll see it's still cooking. So at about this time, I went ahead and added some frozen spinach. I was thawing during the eternity. It's still a little bit frozen, but it's fine. At this point, I was so hungry, it just didn't matter. So go ahead and just add it in there. It's already cooked, so really we're just heating up the spinach. And then go ahead and mix it in there. And this stew is super healthy. We haven't added any seasonings yet, so we'll do that like in the end. And then when it's done, you'll see the soup or stew is completely done. Oh wow. It's still soupy, but the legumes are completely cooked. Let's go ahead and taste it a little bit, and it tasted great, honestly. But I still added some garlic powder, onion powder, and chicken bouillon just to taste it for some flavor. Go ahead and just mix it in there. The soup is still warm, so the seasonings will just kind of blend in. And this stew is so healthy. I think it can cure any ailments you have. Maybe, I don't know, I just made that up. I tasted it, it was great. Went ahead and added some fresh lemon juice towards the end, seeds and all. I'm just kidding. We're gonna fish out the seeds in a little bit. I tried to get out as many as I could. I think I got them all. And that's about it. This is lentil stew with chickpeas, frozen spinach, all cooked in the rice cooker. It was so easy, even though it did take all day, including rehydrating the beans. It's totally possible if you just kind of do it before you leave for work, and then when you come back, you can just cook it, I guess, while you're taking a shower and doing laundry or anything. So let's go ahead and spoon that into your bowl. And that's it. You could serve this plain, just eat the stew. Or if you have bread, it'll go great with bread. You could even add rice if you have some cooked rice. It'll go well with just about anything. And don't forget the soup. And there we go. And now for the glamour shot. As always, thank you for visiting my channel. And why don't you go ahead and try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. Bye!